Oats recipe to lose weight. Oats are considered to be a powerful whole grain with several nutritional and health benefits. Not only is oatmeal a popular choice of breakfast for most people, but it is also flavor and nutrient rich, thus the perfect choice for people who want to lose weight. Therefore, if you want to lose fat and retain your muscle, try the oatmeal diet plan. Unlike the name suggests, the oatmeal diet plan doesn't just revolve around eating oats. The goal is to eat oatmeal for your main course for 1 or 2 meals every day. In today's video, we have covered everything you need to know about the oatmeal diet plan, including some delicious oat recipes. Keep watching. The oatmeal diet plan. The oatmeal diet plan is divided into 2 phases. Number 1, for the first phase, you should eat oatmeal for at least 3 meals every day for the first week. During this week, you shouldn't eat instant oatmeal but only whole eats. You can eat whole or cut fruits with your oatmeal or eat it as a snack. Number 2, the second phase involves eating oatmeal for only 1 or 2 meals of the day and eating low-fat and healthy options for the other meals. In this phase, you are not only allowed to eat instant oatmeal, but more whole fruits and seasonal vegetables are added. However, it must be noted that for every meal you should only consume about half a cup of oats with skim milk or low-fat yogurt and some cinnamon for flavoring. You can add fruits to your oatmeal if you like. For the dinner, it is recommended that you consume a small lean steak, grilled chicken or a turkey burger with some zucchini fries. You are allowed to consume a low-calorie dessert after dinner, and you can snack on fruits. Additionally, it is always recommended to consume overnight oats. Benefits of oats. Oats has countless benefits for weight loss, including Number 1, oats keep you full and satiated. Number 2, oats are good for your gut health. Number 3, oats are high in fiber and have many cardiovascular benefits. Number 4, oats aid in weight loss by boosting metabolism. How to make overnight oats. Making overnight oats is very simple and only requires a few steps. Follow these steps to make overnight oats. Number 1, fill a mason jar with a 2:1 ratio of rolled oats with a liquid such as water or low-fat milk. Number 2, you can also add some seeds, chia seeds, pumpkin seeds, etc., fruits, Greek yogurt, cinnamon, chocolate chips, etc. Number 3, stir it and let it soak. Number 4, throw it in the refrigerator and let it soak overnight or for at least 7 to 8 hours. All you have to do is eat it in the morning. And if you like eating hot oatmeal, you can pop it into the microwave for a minute or 2. Oatmeal recipes. Here are some popular overnight oatmeal recipes that you can try. Number 1, mango ginger overnight oats. If you want a quick overnight oats recipe that is rich in flavor, try this one. Thanks to the mango and pomegranate seeds, this overnight oats recipe is anything but limited in flavor. Besides, the ginger adds a tangy contrast to the sweetness of the mango. Place half a cup of oats in a mason jar. In a 2-cup measuring cup, combine milk, water, honey and ginger. Pour this over the oats and add half a cup of mango to the jar. Let it refrigerate overnight or at least for 7 to 8 hours. Number 2, peanut butter overnight oats. If you are a fan of peanut butter, you will love this recipe. This recipe is healthy and delicious. The best part? It fills your protein requirement for breakfast and is also super easy to make. Add chia seeds and oats to a mason jar and top it off with almond milk. 1 teaspoon of maple syrup and equal parts peanut butter. Use a spoon to push down the ingredients and let the oats soak overnight for 7 to 8 hours. Number 3, keto overnight oats with berries and cream. If you are following a ketogenic diet, this is the best recipe for you to try. In a mason jar, add hemp seeds, walnuts, chia seeds, heavy cream, vanilla extract, stevia and oats. Stir it to combine and then refrigerate overnight. Right before eating, add a few blueberries on top. Number 4, cinnamon roll overnight oats. This recipe keeps things tasty and simple. The combination of maple syrup, cinnamon and flax seeds comes as a much-needed power boost in the morning. It will keep you satiated for a few hours and will also ward off your sweet craving. If you want to take the extra step, you can add some frozen blueberries or raspberries as the topping. All you need to do is take a mason jar and add vanilla-flavored fat-free yogurt or Greek yogurt, fat-free milk, flax seeds, oats, maple syrup and ground cinnamon. Give it a good mix and refrigerate it for 7 to 8 hours. In the morning, just add a few blueberries for topping. Number 5. Espresso Overnight Oats. Can't start your mornings without coffee or at least a shot of espresso? Try this one. Add oats, low-fat milk and coffee powder to a mason jar and give it a good mix. Refrigerate overnight or for 7 hours. You can also add a salted caramel drizzle at the top. These were some of our favorite overnight oats recipe. If you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's all from us today. We want you to know that your voice is important to us. So please leave a comment below. If you are new here, then click the bell icon for notifications of our new videos. And subscribe to our channel.